So example 2 on angles of elevation. An aeroplane when 6,000 meters high passes vertically above another plane at an instance when their angle of elevation at the same observing point are 60 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. How many meters higher is the one than the other? So let's take this to be the observing point, and then the ground level as well, and the height of the planes. One plane is this and the other is this. So from the observing point, we have an angle of elevation of 60 degrees forming here, and from the second plane, an angle of 45 degrees is made. Now the length or the height from the ground is 6,000 meters. So if you let the difference in the height to be x, then the height of the first plane to the ground will be 6,000 meters minus x. That is it. Now, if that is the situation, then we can develop an equation that is the distance from the observing point to the corresponding height of the plane from the ground will be the same for triangle. Let me capture it as A, B, C, D. For triangle ABC, the length AB will be the same for triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Now, taking into consideration triangle ABD, we have angle 60 degrees here, and the height from B to D is 6,000 meters. So we can find the distance AD using our trig ratios as so So in this case, we are using tan of the angle 60 degrees. That will give us the opposite, which is 6,000 divided by the length AB. So we can see the length AB is the same as 6,000 divided by tan 60 degrees. Right, that's cool. Similarly, we can also take into consideration, let's also look at triangle ABC. So the height BC here is 6,000 minus x, and the angle is 45 degrees. So using the trig ratio tan, we have tan 45 degrees to be equal to the opposite, which is 6,000 minus x divided by AB. So we can again say that the length AB is equal to 6,000 minus x divided by tan 45 degrees. Let's go ahead and compute from the first triangle. Let me name it 1 and 2. That way, from the first triangle, let's go ahead and compute for AB here, and that will give us 3464.1016 meters. So from here, this will also give us 6,000 minus x. So equating the two results, since they have the same base, we say that 3464.1016 should be equal to 6,000 minus x. So computing